If your freezer is running all the time, here are the top 5 most probable causes. The freezer condenser coils are designed to dissipate heat as part of the refrigeration system that cools the appliance. Over time, the coils can collect dust, dirt, and debris, which can cause the freezer to run longer to maintain the low temperature. If accessible, we recommend cleaning the coils every 6 to 12 months with a condenser coil cleaning brush. On models without accessible coils, make sure the unit is placed a few inches from the nearest wall and avoid any obstructions that can impede airflow. The condenser fan motor draws air through the condenser coils as part of the refrigeration system to keep the freezer temperature below freezing. If the condenser fan motor is malfunctioning, the compressor can overheat and shut off, which will cause the temperature in the freezer to rise. You should check to see if there are any obstructions preventing the fan blades from turning. If the blades do not spin freely, it's likely that the motor bearings are worn out. You can also use a multimeter to confirm the motor is receiving the appropriate voltage, as indicated on the motor. If the motor is receiving proper voltage but does not run, then the component is defective. The evaporator fan motor draws air over the evaporator coils to remove the heat from the air. A faulty evaporator fan motor may result in the freezer running continuously. As with a condenser fan motor, you should confirm the fan blades can spin freely and the motor is receiving proper voltage. You can also test a 2-terminal evaporator fan motor for continuity to determine if the component should be replaced. Over time, the evaporator coils can frost over, which will cause the appliance to run continuously. You may have to manually defrost the coils if your freezer doesn't have an automatic defrost system. If your freezer does have a defrost system, the heater, thermostat, timer, or control board could be at fault. Again, you can use a multimeter to test for a continuous electrical path present in the heater, thermostat, and timer to determine if one of the components is defective. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your freezer.